What's stressing you out right now? 1. My job. Yep, I hate that place. If I could just stop working but still somehow pay my bills, I'd have nearly zero problems in my life. Feels like work is the foundation for all of my stress. Restricts time, restricts sleep, restricts life. Every day I hope a meteor hits, or the zombie apocalypse, or anything to destroy capitalism, all so I won't have to endure working at the place I do. 2. Wanting to get divorced, can't afford to leave, don't know how or where to start. If I won the lottery, or honestly even had like 5,000, I would leave the next day. But I'm literally left with pennies every paycheck. I can't even afford the court fees to file. Can't seem to find that work-life balance people talk about. It feels like I'm drowning. 3. How bad the bill is going to be after I went to a satellite ER Thursday, wound up being transferred to the main hospital by ambulance, and was admitted for the night. I'm looking at least 1,000 for my deductible, plus 20% of everything else. 4. My mom left in February, nearly 3 weeks after my best friend left. My friends was expected. Mom's wasn't. I've been okay up to a point. Now I'm reeling. Been having dreams with mom in them, and it's rocked me. I'd love to talk to her, but I can't. I'd love to go for coffee and cake with my friend. Can't. It's all so frickin' terrible. 5. My own mind thinking about